Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to purchase CJs in the Lobstr Wallet. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure your Lobstr Wallet is set up. So just download the Lobstr Wallet either on Google Play or the iOS App Store and go through their registration process. It's pretty simple and you'll get to your home balance screen. The next thing you'll need is XLM. If you don't have XLM, you can click the three lines at the top left, the menu button, and click on Buy Lumens. And you can purchase XLM inside of the Lobstr Wallet with a credit card. So if you wanted to just purchase $50 worth, for example, type in 50, hit continue, read through all of that, they'll process your payment, and you will be funded XLM once your purchase is complete. So now that you have XLM in your Lobstr Wallet, first thing we're going to do is make sure you have the trust line to CJs added. So if you do, you could skip ahead to where we actually purchase CJs with XLM, but if you don't, we'll walk through that really quick. So the first thing you want to do is click on the sidebar menu and click on Assets. Then at the bottom, you want to click Add Asset. In the search bar, type in CJS, and you'll see CJs with cjscoin.com. Click Add. And then you need to type in your password to sign the transaction. And once you confirm that, the asset will be added. And there we go. So it takes a couple seconds because you're signing a transaction and sending it, but now we have the trust line. Once you see 0 CJs, that means that your trust line is set up.